Buongiorno! Autumn is approaching and we are again baking. We have some almond flour, we have sugar, potato starch, eggs. We will prepare a soft and moist almond cake without flour. It's an easy recipe. I'm not really happy with the almond flour I bought, so we will use also some almond and we will coarse chop in a processor. This is a very old recipe that comes from my family when decided to buy an existing old bakery in the city in the 1980s. From that time we keep preparing and doing this fantastic recipe. We start separate the yolks from the white, and we will whip the egg white to firm peaks in a clean dry bowl. Preheat the oven 180 degrees. In meantime we coarse chop the almond and we mix with the almond flour and then with the potato starch. The almond cake is a fluffy cake. It's delicious. You can use as a breakfast, as a dessert, for your tea in the afternoon. Really fantastic, and it stays 3, 4 until 5 days out of the fridge. Easy, really easy. Is a fantastic cake. After the egg white are beaten, we reserve them and we beat the egg yolks and granulated sugar until yellow and frothy. Take your time, make sure that you incorporate as much as oxygen as possible using the speed of your machine. You can also avoid to separate the egg yolk and egg white by beating the whole eggs together. The result is pretty similar. As you can see, we have the baking pan in 2 different ways, one with butter and flour or potato starch, or with the parchment foil. It depends what you prefer. Using the parchment foil, you will have to humidify, to wet a bit, so it will stick on the board of the pan. Add the chopped almond and incorporate them with the starch and the yeast, the baking powder. Finish the dough by mixing the egg white, and then we will pour into the baking pan at 180 degrees, 45 minutes, and it will be ready. Try with a wooden stick to make sure that the cake is ready, is cooked. If the wood comes out moist, then you will have to put again in the oven, the cake back in the oven until putting the wood inside, it will come out dry. Remove from the oven, let cool completely before releasing it from the springform pan and placing on a serving plate. I will have to remember you to subscribe to our YouTube channel that will help us definitely, and will help you not to lose our next recipes. You can serve the almond cake with icing sugar, with chocolate sauce, with your preferred sauce. You decide. This is really fantastic. Tell me when you try. Please enjoy and have a lot of fun. Bye.